In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix part of this app has been blocked in Windows 11. Let's get started. This message usually appears when Windows security features block an application because of security settings, permissions, or reputation-based protection. So, launch Settings, navigate to the option Privacy and Security, click on Windows Security. Here you're going to find different option. Click on the option App and Browser Settings. Now go ahead and click on the option Smart App Control Settings. Here you're going to find this section. You'll need to set it to off and confirm it. Then head back, click on Reputation Based Protection Settings. Scroll down, click on the option Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge. Disable for that option. Once you have disabled these settings, try launching or installing the app again. In many cases, the program should now open without showing the blocked app message. After the installation or setup is complete, it's a good idea to turn those security protection back on to help keep your PC protected from potentially harmful apps and downloads. Also, make sure you only disable these settings for apps you trust and download software from reliable sources whenever possible. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.